Hello, I'm doing an unpacking. What a haul today. I got my package from Amazon because I'm working with clay. And I'm not sure how this is doing because I have my phone clipped to my neck with this little thing I got from Five Below. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's got the rubber tips too. I was hoping it did. A little sharp tool right there. Ooh, some stuff I've never thought about before. Excuse me if you hear me burp. Sorry, my desk is messy. I do my crafting and I just haven't cleaned it up yet. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm glad I didn't stick my hand in there. Oh, looky. I can see myself. Oh, a little rolling pin, which I probably won't use because I have a glass one. Oh, the little double-ended dot thing, which I'm sure it has the names. I'm not sure. A little rubber smoother, which I need for my alligator. Oh. Some of these look like something that Dennis used on me. These are nice. Oh. So this looks like something to clean your teeth. I'm not even sure if you see any of this stuff. Let's see. What's it? Hey, I can use that. That's nice. I like all these. I have to learn how to use them all. That's so cool. I'm going to put this one there too because I keep it in my desk and there's no lid and I'm scared I'm going to poke myself. I'll put the little cutter back in there a little bit later. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. Aluminum craft wire, because I've seen people make like little, looks like a body or something, so you have movement inside your sculpture or the frame of your sculpture for your arms and legs, stuff like that. And this is, I can't even see it. Not bad. I can't remember, I think it's 500 feet. And lace. Oh my gosh. It's got shells, starfish, mermaid tail, and the seahorses. And I got these because our house is going with a beachy theme. And I want to make some little things to go on paintings or the wall or whatever. They're beautiful and very, very detailed. Sorry if this is loud. Where's the opening? I know, I thought I saw it. Oh, there it is. I like it. Can you see the details? Oh, nice texture. I love these. And I have UV resin coming too. Of course, I already got 100 balls of glitter. I cannot wait to use these. So pretty. That's it for this video. Take care. I love you. Thanks for watching. Mwah.